turned everything upside down when he appeared on the scene back in the 60s, you know.
When God met Malloy, he broke the mould and threw it away. There's only one Malloy.